Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So here I've got a review for you for a product from IKEA. So this is an IKEA tablet holder or a tablet stand, you can call it. So I've bought this from IKEA online recently. I didn't go to the store because the stores are closed, so ordered it online. And personally I found it very useful, for the people who are using a lot of tablets at home, online studies, especially school kids, medical students, who do a lot of writing on their iPad. So firstly I'll tell you, this is a white in color. Okay, it has a very good strong polycarbonate material. So here it is showing the various ways it can be used, lying down mode or a standing mode if you want to do your video calling. So this design is by Sarah Fager. This is size 25 by 25 centimeters. Okay, IKEA of Sweden. So the importer is in New Delhi. So this is a made in China product, I think. Here is the IKEA branding. So this is not a foldable tablet. Okay, it's not a foldable tablet, but I'll just show you when I place my iPad on this how it looks. So it's perfect for your iPad, completely good for your studies on your iPad. Okay, so how it looks. So another way which you can use your tablet on this is you can place it here and in a standing position. Okay, so I think this is a quite useful product from IKEA. And also I'll show you a 8-inch tablet, how you can use it, a very small one. Okay, keep it here. So it saves your neck from bending all the time. You can save all on the neck pain. You can also use a phone side by side if you're doing work from home. Okay, this is how you can use it. Okay, fine. So personally I bought this from IKEA online for around 300 to 400 rupees. I really don't remember the cost, but it was in similar range, 300 400 rupees. And it's also available in a blue color, dark blue color. So if anyone doesn't want to buy a white one, can go for the blue one. But I feel you should, this is a must buy product for anyone who's having work from home, online studies. Really helps you in preventing that pain in your neck. Thank you for watching.